Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome. I am back with the same outfit. The fact is, I am doing a multi-video. I just wanted to say thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, again, my name is Juliana. You can call me Julie and welcome to the game. Today's video, we're going to do another subscription, another unboxing, but this one is from, they call it FAB Fit Fun. It's a tongue twister box. This is seasonal lifestyle subscription box, and it's $49.99. Is it $49.99? Okay. Oh my goodness. And these are our goodies. This is the editor's box for summer season. And we got this magazine. This is my second box. I had one box way back in 2016 or 17 before I even started YouTubing. And I stopped it because for me, it's pricey. These are coupons. First off, we have the Nasif MD Dermaceutical Detox. This is the complexion perfecting pads. It has alpha beta hydroxy ingredients in it. This one is retailed for $45. For $45, you have 60 pads. Next up, we have the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask, and this one is retail for $39. Packed with Davidson Plum. The purple mask works to rejuvenate the skin and boost hydration. Where is the key ingredient? Glycolic aloe, hibiscus, witch hazel extract, cedar wood. Oh wow. So this is vegan. This is cruelty free and made in Australia. Next up, we have the Eaton Street Soap House. And this is the Hey Ho Wholesome Body Cream. And this baby is retailed for $25. This is a formula contains English honey and almond oil to nourish your skin. Anything that has almond, I have to be careful. I have a very bad allergic reaction with almond. I cannot induce them. I cannot eat them. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to put this in my giveaway. Next up, we have the Humankind Body Souffle. And this is a body lotion blend with apricot oil and shea butter. This retailed for $18.50. Okie dokie. This is all natural, vegan, and cruelty free. And it says here lightly whipped for ultimate kindness in your human skin. Yeah, human skin, okay? And it is light and fluffy body spray that is quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. I don't see any souffle here. It's just a regular lotion. I'm thankful I have this full size here. This is 6.76 fluid ounces. This will last a long time to me, like a month. Moving on, we have the Moroccan Gold series. Moisturize and protect against UV damage while detangling hair and sealing split ends. This is a hair care leave-in mask. Okie dokie. This one is retail for $39. You know the grandpa's pomade? That's how it smells. And then next up, we have another baby here. This is the tiniest one. This is Winky Lux Rainbow Lip Balm. And this one retailed for $18. And this is the packaging, and it is adorable. And this is how it looks like. This is a multicolor here. It is a stained lip balm. Doesn't smell anything funky. That's nice. Next up, we have the Makeup Eraser Original Pink Towel. Erase the day and makeup away with just water. And this one is retail for $31. And this is the pink towel. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, it's so soft. I'm so glad. Good thing I didn't buy this in full price. So I'm looking forward to use this. And the last item from our box, one of my favorite thing to have is those anti-aging tools. This is the Revive Light Therapy. It's a glow, wrinkle, and anti-aging light. This is an infrared light that will help stimulate collagen and elastin. I love anti-aging devices. I have a couple of them, and there's one item that I've been using for the longest, if I'm not mistaken, at least 5 years. It's the microcurrent anti-aging device, and this one retail for $68. I don't know if you could see it. What you're going to do is make sure that you have a clean skin tone, and then you can massage it on your face with the help of serum or moisturizer. It's the infrared that will help the anti-aging shebang. This is nice. Okay, let's wrap this up. Yeah, I have a total of 8 items in my box. Total value for our editor's box. And this is for the summer season. We have a total of $283.50. Total savings is $233.51. What can I say about this box? I love a couple of items here. I love this, the makeup remover, the anti-aging device, and then next up, the body lotion. I don't have to run to store and buy body lotion. I hope you like this unboxing, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I love you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.